Since its establishment in 1949, Mitaş Makine has made important investments in the vehicle and defense industries, and also the production of textile machinery spare parts and shoe moldings. Currently, Mitaş Makine is working on the industrialization of the company and has concentrated on the textile sector, aiming to become a solution partner for the yarn producers. Mitaş Makine has developed a carpet yarn heatset machine protected by patents, known as Quick Heatset, as a result of research and development work carried out by Turkish engineers. The machine prevents the need for external dependency for polypropylene yarn production. Creel unit. There are 72 active and 72 resource spinning bobbin adapters on a creel. Every yarn outlet point uses a trademark OZ system with an adjustable weight giving the consistent tension to the yarn. Each yarn on the creel is fitted with a sensor which automatically stops the system if yarn breakage occurs. Operator joins the yarn ends before fitting it back into the winder. Frieze yarn unit. An adjustable valve at the outlet point of the stuffer box enables the amount of the yarn in the box to be varied, which in turn adjusts the degree of Frieze effect obtained. The speed and number of revolutions of the false twist mechanism can be controlled by a touch panel. The valve pressure, the pressure in the cylinders, and the amount of steam all affect the freeze process. These are kept under control by the proportional valves and pressure sensors. SCADA control panel. The system is managed by using SCADA software. On the SCADA screen, parameters such as temperature, pressure, and speed are taken under control, and historical data graphics can be examined. Yarn laying unit. The laying unit places the yarn on a conveyor belt in a continuous S shape with the help of two helical gears. The speed of the laying unit can be controlled by SCADA. Using the SCADA screen, the required section can be easily activated without detaching the laying unit or the Frieze unit. Pressurized heatset tunnel. In the middle of the heatset tunnel, which measures 19 meters in total, there is a 15-meter long section where the heat setting process takes place at a temperature of 130 to 135 Celsius degrees and under stream pressure of 2 to 2.5 bars. The 2-meter long sections at the inlet and outlet of the tunnel have ceiling heads and air balloons to prevent the escape of pressurized steam. A circulation fan, located between the first and last tunnel, ensures that the heat inside the tunnel is homogeneous. One of the factors which increase the quality of the heatset process is the efficient use of the pressure, temperature, circulation variables of the tunnel, so that the heat has the maximum effect on the yarn. Ceiling heads. The 2-meter long tunnels, located in the inlet and the outlet of the tunnel, contain equipment to prevent the steam in the heatset tunnel escaping. Fast cooling of the yarn after the heatset process is an important factor affecting product quality. The fans in the final tunnel section of the quick heatset machine ensure the homogeneous cooling of the yarn. Yarn resting and cooling units. After the heatset process, the yarn undergoes the intense cooling and drying process. After cooling, the pulling position of the yarn on the conveyor belt is inspected using photocells. Yarn accumulator unit. The accumulator allows the heatset section to continue working without interruption when equipment needs changing in the winding section or the system stops for any other reason. The accumulator ensures that the system continues, even in the event of yarn breakage, increasing efficiency by a factor of 10 to 15%. Winder. In the quick heat set machine, the drums, shuttles, and Godet units are separate from each other and driven by new generation inventors in order to reduce the maintenance cost. However, the older system requires continuous maintenance because of the extra mechanical parts. The independent inverter-driven shuttles mean that the winding parameters can easily be adjusted using the operator panel. The electronically controlled heated cutting blades minimize the problem of the yarn not being cut successfully. All winders work simultaneously, and each winding position has 5 Frieze rear bobbin magazines. Each level of the winder has a photocell control conveyor belt for the completed bobbins. The quick heat set machine increases volume, durability, and vitality by applying a freeze effect and by stabilizing the twist of the yarn. The low energy consumption and high heat set quality reduces operation costs for yarn manufacturers, giving this machine a competitive advantage.